Imagine this. You open your pantry, and instead of finding the pasta you need for dinner, you're met with half-open bags, expired cans, and random jars stacked like a game of Jenga. Frustrating, right? Now, picture opening it and seeing everything neatly labeled, accessible, and even Instagram-worthy. Doesn't that feel like stepping into a dream? Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss more life-transforming hacks like this. Why pantry chaos happens. Most pantries don't get messy overnight. It happens slowly. You buy duplicates because you can't find what you already have. Bags rip, snacks go stale, and spices hide in the shadows. The chaos isn't just annoying, it costs you money and time. But the truth is, anyone can transform this mess into a perfectly functional system with a few pro-level tricks. Step 1. Empty everything out. The first step sounds dramatic, but it's essential. Take everything out. Every can, every jar, every crumb. Why? Because you can't organize around clutter. This step sets the stage for a fresh start. And yes, you might discover snacks from 3 years ago. Don't worry, we all do. Step 2. Declutter and check expiry dates. Here's where emotions kick in. Sometimes we hold on to food like souvenirs. That fancy olive oil from 2 summers ago? Expired. The snacks your kids swore they loved but never touched? Gone stale. It's time to be ruthless. Only keep what you know you'll use and what's still good. Step 3. Categorize like a supermarket. Here's the secret. The pros organize pantries the way grocery stores do. Group items by category: breakfast foods, cereal, oats; snacks, chips, cookies; baking supplies, flour, sugar; cans and jars, beans, sauces; spices and condiments. When everything has a home, finding ingredients becomes automatic. No more digging or double buying. Step 4. Containers are game changers. Want that clean, professional look? Invest in clear containers. Airtight jars keep food fresh, while transparent bins let you see exactly what you have. Plus, they prevent spills from half-open bags. Imagine pouring pasta from a sleek container instead of fumbling with a torn plastic bag. Step 5. Label everything. Here's where magic happens. Labels make your pantry not only beautiful, but also foolproof. When containers are labeled rice, flour, or snacks, even guests or kids know where things go. Use chalkboard labels, printed stickers, or even masking tape in a pinch. It works like a charm. Step 6. Use vertical space in tiers. Most people forget about vertical space. Add tiered shelves for canned goods so you can see everything at a glance. Use stackable bins to double your storage. Hooks or racks on the inside of pantry doors can hold spices, foil, or wraps. Pros think upward, not just outward. Step 7. Create a snack zone. Families love this one. Dedicate a basket or bin just for snacks. Granola bars, chips, cookies, everything in one place. Kids can grab what they want without rummaging through the entire pantry. It saves time and keeps the rest of the shelves neat. Let's think about it. An organized pantry isn't just about aesthetics. It's about reducing stress, saving money, and creating a space that supports your lifestyle. Every time you open that pantry, instead of frustration, you feel calm and in control. That's the hidden power of organization. It changes how you feel in your own home. And there you have it. The pros' method to transform any pantry into a masterpiece. From decluttering to labeling, from snack zones to smart containers. These are the exact steps that turn chaos into clarity. If this video inspired you to tackle your pantry, don't forget to like, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more genius home hacks. Tell me in the comments, which step will you try first? Will it be containers, labels, or maybe creating your very own snack zone? And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community. Thanks for watching, and remember, an organized home is a happier home.